ImagiCakes. This is my daughter Sayuri. This is my cousin Kenay.
Hi.
I thought it would be super cool to have them make a Halloween house decorating kit. I got them this one. This is the whole kit. I got this from Michael's. And then we got this one. This just has like little guys and zombie and headstones. It's kind of the same. They're cookie decorating kits. So you guys can start assembling whatever you want. Yeah, you want to start?
Yeah.
You want to start, Sayu?
Yeah.
Yeah? Then we can start. We're kind of nervous. This is going to be our first video showing ourselves or just talking to the camera. Just for a little bit background, I am the owner of ImagiCakes by Grace. I started this baking business like 3 years ago. I just got some baking classes like in a small bakery. Got the baking classes, started baking, and started selling $5 cakes. Then that would grow up to get like clients for birthdays, baby showers, wedding. After a while, I moved here to Wisconsin where I'm living right now, which has been great.
You like?
Has been really nice.
That's my cookie or the cookie.
Kenay, do you like your school?
Yeah.
What do you do in your school?
Math. I like math. I use reading. I use the computer.
You use computers?
Yeah.
And do you like math?
Yeah.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
See, I'm not good at math.
Wow.
Because I don't like it. I am good at art. I was really good at art class. I decided I wanted to do something fun since my daughter likes YouTube, she likes baking shows, she likes all of that. I decided I would start a channel, and she really loves it. Every time she sees me recording or something, she goes, "Oh, look, it's Mommy Baking Show. I really like Mommy Baking Show." So she's the one that has pushed me to do something different. I am still doing cakes for clients. I have a couple orders going on. I post my pictures on my page. And that's it. I am a stay-at-home mom which started a YouTube channel just to make it a little bit funny and cool and just show people my crazy ideas and show people that it's possible for them too, to me making cakes just like me. Everything that I've learned is self-taught. If you guys would like, I can start making recipe videos. I do my own fondant. I see people find it that it's really difficult to make time for making the fondant from scratch. I find it that it's really nice because you get a different taste. You get a homemade taste. I do not like store-bought fondant. I'm not a fan of it. I find it that it's really like Play-Doh taste. I really don't like it. I really find it that it's really nice to give to my clients everything that should be homemade. That's what I'm trying to go for. And just keep it authentic. I have a really hard-working husband. I have 2 kids. This is my biggest one. She's 3 years old, and the other one is sleeping. He is 6 months old. How old are you?
3.
3. Good job. And what's your name?
Sayuri Ocasio.
Good job.
I'm not Sayuri Modon.
Who says Sayuri Modon? Kenay calls you Sayuri Modon?
Yeah, I call.
Oh. Do you want to make a person? A zombie? Do you want to make a zombie? Okay. What colors are zombies?
Green.
Okay. Can you give me the green? So, my daughter, she loves Halloween. She loves anything that's Monster. She has Monster High. She loves any kind of Halloween related stuff. I'm a really proud mom. Put more. She gets so excited whenever she sees scary stuff. Do you like scary stuff? And creepy? They're so cool.
You like
right?
Jason Voorhees?
Who's that?
Borky.
She had the video game Jason.
Oh. Do you have it?
Yeah.
Mm. Who's your favorite scary movie?
The mine? My scary movie is
Your favorite one?
my favorite Michael Myers movie.
Michael Myers movie. Whoa.
Nice.
They're nice too.
Yeah.
I will pick the pumpkin.
You're gonna keep eating?
Birds can talk.
Do you want to give a sneak peek of what next mommy video will be? No. Who's mommy favorite skeleton?
On the
He
movie.
sings, "This is Halloween, this is Halloween."
Just curtain.
Do you know? Ah, Kenay said it. You know his name? What's his name?
Jack Skeleton.
Jack Skeleton. And mommy's gonna make Jack Skeleton? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the house. This is how it turned out.
So it can smash.
So as you guys can see, this is Malik.
And this is Sayu.
And this is Kenay. And then this is Sayu with her little skirt. Now, they're going to smash it.
Now?
1, 2, 3.
Smash.
Ah! Do it, Sayu, do it! You try it. Deja que Sayu try it. You try it.
Ahora pitulo.
Good job. Okay.
Ahora
Do you want to eat a piece?
No, sí. A ver, Malik, ¿en dónde cayó Malik?
Where's Malik? You destroyed it?
Mira, Malik, mira aquí.
You want to eat it, Sayu? Eat it.
I want to eat the cat.
Okay.
Aquí hay más piezas.
How does it taste?
Hard.
Huh?
Hard.
It tastes hard? That's okay, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Just eat a cookie. Eat a piece of cookie. Okay guys, this is the mess they did. I think they had really good time.
I kill Malik. Sit down here.
Sayu, did you like it? Yeah? Okay. So guys, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram at ImagiCakes by Grace. And you can follow me here. You can subscribe to this channel if you want to keep seeing more of my crazy ideas. I know I don't have a lot of stuff. I know I'm not good editing or stuff like that, but I'm getting there, doing it, and I'm learning as I go. So if you guys want to hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Say bye, Sayu.
Bye, guys.
Say bye here.